What's up, everyone? It's Charlie of Finsformation again. I was hesitant about posting this video just because it was a pretty tough day out there. It's midsummer, it's hot. The lake that I went to is pretty shallow and grassy this time of year. I spent the first half of the day kind of going for shady spots like under docks and lily pads, and I was throwing some moving baits like a swim jig. I was throwing a spinnerbait, a chatterbait. I even threw an underspin a little bit. I was getting little bumps, but nothing, no takers. Definitely a couple of good short strikes that were probably decent fish. So I learned something today, is I probably need to start looking into getting trailer hooks. Yeah, it's so darn shallow because the water level's low and there's a lot of vegetation here. So I've been kind of throwing out to the outside weed edge here where it just stops. That's where I've gotten both bites so far. Nice little summer bass there, a little chunky one. Outside weed edge. I was hesitant to post this, but you know, it's tough sometimes. And I just wanted people to know that I've had a couple people message me on Instagram asking, you know, what to do this time of year and stuff like that. And I just tell them, you know, you just got to figure them out. And whether that means going, you know, finesse, even though that's not the most fun type of fishing, in my opinion, if you're catching fish, you're having fun. That's just me. I just tell people you got to just figure it out. So like when in doubt, just do a little bit of junk fishing, throw a little bit of everything till you start getting bites, and then you can kind of at least know where they're at. And that's what happened today, was I figured out that they were on the outside weed edge. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, share the video, follow me on Instagram at Finsformation, and see you guys next time.